Hey everyone, Cody here, and today in this video we're going to talk about how to add a global footer to your Builderall website. This is video number 4 in the series of how to build a Builderall website. So first of all, when you're on the Builderall homepage, go ahead and go to the Cheetah website builder by clicking the Enter button. Okay, and as you can see, if you watch the previous videos, this is our animal rescue website we've been working on. Just go ahead and click Edit Site. And as you can see, these are our pages. And what we want to do is go to our home page, go to website, and this is what we're wanting to build. If we scroll all the way down to the bottom, we're going to see the footer, and it's usually in the very bottom, of course. It usually has your contact information, links to the other pages, as well as maybe a goal or a statement about your about the website. Also, you could have your copyright over here, and possibly a place where to put your established date. So I already created this, but we're going to create a new one, and I'm going to show you how to add it to your website on all the pages. And that's what the great thing is about a global footer is like a global header. You don't have to add it to every page of the website. So go ahead and close this out. And on the main page of your website, on the left-hand side is a menu. Under Global Elements, go down to Footers. And what we want to do is create a new footer. Click the plus button. And let's name this You can name yours wherever you want. Click Save. And it'll appear right here. So click Edit Footer. Okay, and as you can see, we have a blank space. So I'm just going to start with a template at first. So I'm going to go to Add over here. And a footer and header are panels. So we want to add a panel. Scroll all the way down where it says footer. And let's see here. We want to pick one that we like. I like the dark one right here, the Express footer. Go ahead and click. And it'll pop up right here. Now, as I stated in the previous videos, the full width area is the panel. The middle part or the main part, consider your box or container. These are containers or boxes. And then the things inside are elements. So first of all, I want to change this up right here. So let's click here. And we can change this to really whatever we want. So be care about you and family. Oops. Once again, I can't spell. Okay. We can have our contact area, have a place to put our maybe a newsletter or an email opt-in form. When you double click an item, you can always edit it. You can edit the item right here. It'll bring this pop-up for our editor, or you can also click this arrow and it'll bring it out on the side under settings. There we go. And we can click the size on mobile, set maximum width on tablet. You can pretty much do anything. So let's add a Sunday time as well. Double click, and then it's just like any other text editor. We're going to do 10 p.m. Oops. Put a dash to 5 p.m. Sundays. Oops. Okay. And maybe we want to move this phone number over to the bottom. So we double click. And let's see here. There we go. All right. Let's add another space. So enter. Maybe I want to add my 1-800 number if I have one. So 100 23 567. All right. And over here, maybe we don't want this. We want maybe a social media icons to link to our social media. So if we click on the container on the outside, we can click the delete button. Yes, delete. And we're going to open this panel up. And remember, this is an element. So we go all the way down. And it's going to be under our social media bars. Click this. Click it here. Oops, I always mess that up. Sorry about that. Okay. Now we got two of them, so we want to delete one. There we go. Now let's click this under settings. And we want to check, let's see. We can change the images as well. So we don't have to have all these images. We can actually change them to where we want to. Maybe you want to upload a white image logo or black, depending on the background of your footer. We're going to keep it right here just for now. Now, if you want to change the links, which you're going to probably want to do, change them to your own social media links, we click the box. Okay. Now, right here, we want to change this, like our Twitter, to our Twitter handle, our Twitter, the actual page the actual URL of our account. So you want to change all these to match, and that's what you do right here. So, all right. Now let's say you want your email address listed, but you want them to be able to click on it. So what you should do is click on the area right here and highlight it. Oops, sorry. Okay. And you want to go to the very top. And right here is the link. And then you would paste your URL of the email address, the actual email address. And then you can choose to open in a new tab or the same tab. Click select. Of course, you need to put an actual URL here. So we're going to do one more thing. We're going to move this whole box. Remember, you can move items independently, or you can move the whole box. So what I want to do is I want to move this. I want to move the whole box down. And I want to change this over here to our goal. So what I want to do is I want to delete this whole box. So we're going to delete. And I want to add an element. I want to add text. And I want an H2 title. It's a little big. I'm going to go ahead and constrain this box. And put it right here. Okay. So we're going to double click. I'm going to highlight. I'm going to change the font 16, bold. I'm going to make this our goal. I'm going to highlight again. I'm going to change it to white. I'm going to move this up. All right. I'm going to add another element of text. This time, H6. We're going to drag it over. And we'll go ahead and match the text. So let's Muley. And match the font. I'm going to scroll all the way down to Muley. We're going to change this to white as well. And then we're going to place some text to fill out our. All right. After we write that down and change the text, we're going to just move it right here down below so it matches the alignment of the title. And there we go. That's our footer. I already pre-made a footer, and that's the one I'm going to use. So you just save it if you want to save your footer. Click that's fine. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go back and use a footer that I created earlier and then place it on our website that we've been building out. So I'm going to click leave, go back to home, go back to the Treaty Builder. Okay. Edit site, global, and then down to footers. And I'm just going to delete this one that we've been working on. I'm going to create a new one. Make it vet. Oops, can't spell. Okay, click the save button. I'm going to edit. Okay, and I'm going to place in my footer that I created earlier. So it's going to be under personal. And as I told you before, it's a panel. So click panels. Click here. And it's the vet footer right here. All right. And you want to click the plus button to add any of your previously saved elements. This is the one I've created, as you can see. It has our goal for the company, maybe an award we've won before, our contact information, hours of operation, email address, phone number, has all of our links, social media, copyright, and the established date. Now, I want to show you how to set these links up right here. And these are going to take you to your other pages of your website. It's just an easier way for your customers or clients that are accessing your website to be able to navigate your website. So when we click right here, as you can see, these all turn green. You don't want to do the links part because that's not going to be able to link anything. You want to click on these right here. And then we're going to want to click the gear icon. Now these are already set up, but as you can see, it shows all the links. We want to click this green link icon. And since this is the home page, we want to click the page, set it to home, and open in the same tab, and select. Do the same thing with the About page. Now these are already set up for you, so that's why you see they're already on the About, already on the same tab. Services do the same thing. Remember, you have to be in the Pages section. If you do web, you have to put in a custom URL. And as you can see, we want to navigate to our pages. So this is our services page, so that's selected, and of course, open in the same tab. And the same with our contact page. Click Save. And as you can see, we have our pre-built global footer for our website. And when you build out a global element, such as the footer or a header, you're going to be able to build it once and then add it to every page and not have to build it every time. So it's going to save you a lot of time with building your Builderall website. Click up here at Save. That's fine. Want to click out of this and leave. I'll go to our home page. And I have the footer down below as an example to show you. But what I want to do is I want to delete this. And it's just on this page. So I'm going to delete the footer at the very bottom. Okay, add it in again as a global element. Click the panel. Trash can icon to delete. Click Yes. As you can see, it's gone. So what I want to do is I want to click Save up top. Click That's Fine. And close. We're going to back out and leave. Let me show you the About page. The other pages are the same as far as not having a footer. There we go. See, no footer at the bottom. Okay. What we want to do is we want to go to the page that we want to add. Click on the settings icon. Settings again. We'll go all the way down where it says footer settings. We want to choose that footer we just created. So click footer. And for the mobile, it's the same. We want to save. It'll take us back to our pages, and we want to do the same thing for each and every page. So scroll all the way down. Click footer. Click footer. Okay, same for our services. All right, and save. Finally, our contact page. Click Save. Now, if we click our Edit Page on our home page, we're going to notice that at the bottom, when we scroll down, we still don't have a footer. And the reason is global elements do not show up in the editor section because they can't be edited in the editor. They have to be edited in the global editor settings. So if we hit preview, you can see when the website loads up, not only do we have our global header, but if we scroll all the way down, our global footer shows up as well. And you have to preview it or go to the actual website to see your global elements. And you'll notice the links light up, but if we click one of the links, we have this message that the function is not available in the editor preview. In order to actually use the links for this footer, we have to click out, and on our home page, we want to click the settings and go to website. That's going to load up the website just the same, but it's going to show it as everyone that visits the website would actually see it. So now when we scroll down and we go to our links, to our About page, it goes to our actual About page. Also, if we scroll down, we notice that the footer is on this page as well. If we go to our services page, the footer is there as well. So it's on every page, and we didn't have to recreate it every time we create a new page. So that's the benefits of using global elements, global headers, and global footers. If you have any questions or would like to know any other topics that you want me to cover, maybe you want to learn something else on Builderall, go ahead and leave a link down in the, or go ahead and leave a question in the comment section, and I will try and create a video for you to better help you. I really appreciate it watching this video, and if you would like a $1 30-day trial to Builderall, there's a link down in the description. You can go ahead and click that. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Take care. Have a great day.